The 1099 form is a tax form that is typically used in order to provide employment information with regard to contract or freelance employment. You'll notice that a 1099 form differs from a W-2 or W-4 form in the way that it is considered to be a statement concerning miscellaneous income through temporary employment, rather than full-time or permanent employment. Every individual required to file taxes for miscellaneous or freelance employment will be required to account for any or all earning gained from employment, regardless of its nature. So, that being said, let's begin with this step-by-step guide to help you through the process of filing your 1099 tax form for contracted, temporary, or freelance employment. Individuals are encouraged to ensure that they can be classified as a contracted employee. On the 1099 form, you will notice that there are a variety of blank fields that require filling in with the information that applies to you and your employment. Primarily, companies will be required to enter their tax identification number, which is also referred to as a tax ID number. Do this along with entering your address, the name of your employee, and all other personal information requested. Individual contractors will be required to fill in their Social Security number. You will be prompted to submit information with regard to earnings and expenses. Independent contractors must have received their individual 1099 forms by January 30th of the year following the tax year that you're reporting. Copy B and Copy 2 are required to be sent to the contracted employee. Copy 1 will be required to be submitted to the state in which the contractor resides. This will be forwarded to the Department of Labor. For employers only, Copy A of the 1099 along with the 1096 form must be sent directly to the IRS. Form 1096 is a cumulative report of all earnings and payments with regard to contracted employment undertaken by your business. Typically, businesses filing 1099 and 1096 forms will be required to submit these forms to the IRS prior to February 28th of the year following the fiscal year for which you're reporting. However, individuals filing electronically will be permitted to file their 1099 and 1096 forms until March 31st. Remember to keep Copy C of both forms for your personal records. To watch more videos, please make sure to visit laws.com.